In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple iMessage texting sync issues. If you've ever faced the frustration of messages not syncing properly across your Apple devices, you're not alone. It's a common issue, but fortunately one that can be resolved quickly with just a few steps. So let's dive in and get your iMessage back to working seamlessly. The first thing you need to do is turn iMessage off and then back on again. This might sound simple, but it's often the quickest way to resolve the problem. On your iPhone or iPad, start by navigating to Settings, then Apps, and find Messages. If you're on a Mac, you'll need to go to Messages and select Preferences. Once you've opened the appropriate settings, find the toggle switch to turn iMessage off. It's important to wait about 10 seconds. This brief pause allows the system to fully process the change. Now go ahead and turn iMessage back on. This simple reset can often re-establish a proper connection and solve the sync issue. Next, you'll want to ensure that all your Apple devices are using the same Apple ID. This is crucial because inconsistencies between devices can lead to messaging problems. On your iPhone or iPad, head to Settings, then Messages, and tap on Send and Receive. On a Mac, open Messages, go to Preferences, and click on iMessage. Here, confirm that you're using the same Apple ID across all your devices. Additionally, make sure that both your phone number and email address are checked under the section that says you can receive iMessages at. This ensures that any messages sent to your email or phone number can be synchronized across all your devices. Finally, make sure all your devices are updated to the latest software. Updates often include important bug fixes that are integral for maintaining the smooth operation of iMessage. On an iPhone or iPad, go into Settings, click on General, and then Software Update to check for any available updates. For those on a Mac, you'll want to navigate to System Settings, then General, and click on Software Update there. If there's an update available, be sure to download and install it. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your iMessage sync issues across devices. It's amazing how a few simple tweaks can make a big difference. If you're still experiencing problems after trying these solutions, there might be a deeper issue at play, and it may be worth reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help get your iMessage functioning perfectly again.